all my fault.
What's all your fault?
Vinny told me a fucking lady.
Why did Vinny call you that?
Cause I was yelling at him.
Why were you yelling at him?
Cause he yelled at me.
Oh. That's a bad word.
What? A fucking lady?
Go over there and say hi.
Oh, listen now. You down there. Alright, so this is a killing poop.
What do you say to Nani?
You want to do her a funny poop.
What do you say to Nani?
I love you.
Vincent.
I love you. I want you to do a poopy without these.
Alright, say goodnight. Say goodnight.
I need to tell you something.
Say goodnight. Come on, it's gonna.
You had to give me something. I need to do it. So you make Easter eggs with water.
Alright, say goodnight.
And then
Vincent.
does.
Say goodnight.
I want to tell her something.
Tell us something.
We made Easter eggs at These on the phone?
No, say goodnight.